You can expect a lot from the 2016 Chevrolet Trax. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, rear wipers, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.